Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are with the India's most demanding twin cylinder bike, the Aprilia RS457, made in India. So before starting the ownership review video of this beast, I would like to introduce you to the owner of this beast.
Hi.
So Mr. Nilesh Bhai, aka the Wanderlust 46. So he also owns a Dominar 400 2018 model, right? Yeah. And then he bought this beast. सो नीलेश भाई, आपके पास तो पहले से 400 सीसी है डोमिनर, तो वैसे तो एप्रिलिया और डोमिनर में कंपेयर करना जरा सा गलत है, तो आपने इस बाइक को इतना क्यों पसंद आया कि आपने इसको खरीद लिया?
ओके, सो एक्चुअली मैं डोमिनार चला रहा हूँ पिछले कुछ सालों से. मैंने बहुत सारी लॉन्ग राइड्स की उस पर एंड एवरीथिंग इज गुड विद दैट बाइक, नो प्रॉब्लम्स एट ऑल. बट द थिंग इज कि थोड़ा चेंज चाहिए था, थोड़ा सा मतलब कि लाइक थोड़ा सा और पावर का एक हंगर था कि थोड़ा सा और पावर चाहिए. तो इसीलिए एप्रिलिया. प्लस ये देखने में भी बहुत मतलब आई स्ट्राइकिंग था. जब पहली बार देखा तो आई वाज लाइक कि यार एक लेना है.
एग्जैक्टली. तो जैसा कि नीलेश भाई ने बताया कि उसने इस बाइक को क्यों चूज किया है, तो इट्स वेरी ऑब्वियस द लुक्स दिस बाइक गिव यू एंड द फीचर्स इट हैज. इस प्राइस रेंज के अंदर इतने सारे फीचर्स एंड इतना जबरदस्त लुक, भाई उफ, जस्ट ऑसम. मैं तो फिदा हो गई. और आप लोगों को ये बाइक लुक्स में कैसी लग रही है मेरे को कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताना. सो द एप्रिलिया RS457 gets an engine of 2 parallel facing cylinders, liquid cool and ride by wire, which generates 47.58 of power at 9000 rpm and 43.5 Nm of torque at 6700 rpm. Company claims that the top speed is around 180 km per hour and mileage is around 30 kmpl. So, how is the smoothness of the engine?
Being a parallel twin, it's pretty smooth. So
Pretty smooth,
yeah.
Okay. And being a parallel twin and an Italian bag, what is the service cost and the interval?
Okay, so my first service was around 1000 kilometers and it costed me around 5000 something, 4000 something. And second service I did recently and it's after 6000 kilometers and it also costed me around 5-6,000.
ठीक है,
Yeah.
reasonable.
Yeah.
And mileage कितना देती है?
माइलेज अभी करेंटली मुझे 19.5 19.6 का मिल रहा है. द हाईएस्ट माइलेज दैट आई हैव अचीव्ड ऑन दिस बाइक इज अराउंड 21 एंड करेंटली इट्स इन कोलकाता ट्रैफिक इट्स 19.5 19.6.
कंपनी तो कह रही है कि 30 तो मिलेगा.
नहीं
नहीं
मिलेगा.
नहीं. तो पावर लैगिंग इश्यू है नहीं?
पावर लैगिंग इश्यूज आई डोंट थिंक सो. मतलब इसमें जैसे बीइंग अ पैरेलल ट्विन द इंजन इज वेरी ट्रैक्टेबल. इट्स लाइक इन 6th gear you can go as low as 40. So it's you don't need to change frequent gears and it's pretty smooth for that matter. So
It's a very good point. उसके बाद हमारा अगला पॉइंट है डायमेंशंस. तो डायमेंशन एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है. अगर डायमेंशंस के बारे में अब सब कुछ जान जाते हो तो आपको ये समझने में आसानी होगी कि ये बाइक आपको सूट करेगी या फिर नहीं, यानी कि सीट हाइट वगैरह etc. So the Aprilia RS457 has a wheelbase of 53.1 inch, seat height is 800 mm, dry weight is 159 kg and curb weight is 175 kg. It also gets a twin sparm aluminum frame and steel swing arm with underbelly exhaust. 41 mm inverted forks with 120 mm wheel travel and a monoshock 130 mm wheel travel at rear. So dimensions, is this bike suitable for short height riders or what is the minimum height required to ride this bike comfortably?
okay, so if you ask me, there is no suitable height for riding any bike. If you have the passion, if you have the guts, you can ride any bike.
Exactly.
But I will consider myself as a short rider and I am pretty much comfortable with this and I do tiptoes a little bit, but yeah, most of the time it's fine. Most of the time it's
मतलब
fine.
गाड़ी पीछे आने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं?
कोई इशू नहीं because it's very light.
Oh, it's very light. Next point है braking system. तो braking is one of the important points in this vlog as the engine produces this much of power, we need to ask नीलेश भाई की ब्रेकिंग कैसा है in city and in highway. So पहले हम लोगों को जानना पड़ेगा इसमें ब्रेक कैसा मिलता है. तो it gets a dual channel ABS system. तो it gets 320 mm disc with bi-radial mount, 4 keystone calipers at front, and 220 mm disc with a bi-brake caliper at rear. The ABS can be adjusted so that it's only active on the front wheel and the rear ABS can be deactivated. So as this motorcycle producing of so much power, do you think the company should have more focused on the brakes, as many Indian riders are unaware of the engine braking?
Okay, so talking about the brakes, as far as I have ridden around, I have ridden this bike around 6,000 kilometers. I haven't faced any kind of brake fade issues. But what I think is that if we ride it on racetrack like pretty hard and fast, like we have to do much braking, then I guess there will be a significant brake fade issue, as these brake pads are organic brake pads. Aprilia also gives an option for racing brake pads, but they are pretty expensive, around 9,000 MRP, I guess.
So keeping the needs of the customer in mind, Aprilia has loaded this bike with many modern technologies such as riding modes and many more. So ये डिटेल में हम लोगों को ओनर्स बताएंगे.
So as you can see, this bike has 3 riding modes. So this is sport, then there is eco, and there is rain. Then we have 3 levels of traction control, ATC 1, ATC 2 and ATC 3. So these are the features. And okay, this is another screen which shows all the details, that how much kilometer I have driven and what's the top speed, okay, what's the mileage and all. Then we can see the engine temperature, battery voltage, also the fuel, it shows range. And this is lap timer for track use. And if you connect my phone, then we can also change through music. And then again, this screen becomes a turn-by-turn navigation map when you connect the phone. And apart from that, this bike comes with an optional quick shifter. And for modifications as such, I have installed this windscreen and this cowl only. And also, if we see those aesthetic features like this fairing, this is proper ram air intake. If you can see, there are holes in it, proper ram air intake. And this fairing also, it's also very aerodynamically designed. As we can see here, you can see the lines that are all functional for aerodynamics and downforce. So yeah, that's all.
So what is the ex-showroom price?
The ex-showroom price, I got it from Bhubaneswar. So the ex-showroom price there was around 4.17, I guess. Around
Acha, and on
4.17.
road?
On road, okay, so that's a bit complicated for me because I got it from Bhubaneswar, paying the ex-showroom price. Then I got it registered in Jamshedpur. So around it costed me in total 4.88.
Acha, and what is the buying experience?
Okay, my buying experience was one hell of a ride. So I booked this bike around 6-7 months ago, and buying experience was pretty much hectic because the Aprilia dealers that were in Jamshedpur, they were not that good because okay, that's a whole new topic actually. But my buying experience was not that great, but still I would thank Aprilia India because they assisted me with the buying experience and they helped me get my bike. So
And what
yeah.
is the waiting period? If we book now?
I waited for around 6 months. And waiting period for now, I guess the last time I checked, it was around a year.
Oh wow,
Kind
great.
of.
So इस प्राइस रेंज में इतने सारे फीचर्स एंड विद अ ट्विन सिलेंडर इटालियन बाइक, मतलब ऑसम एंड द फंक्शनल एरोडायनामिक्स first of all. So everything is so far so good. And what is your overall experience?
So my overall experience is pretty much nice. I won't deny that because I bought this bike and I knew why I was buying this bike. And according to my expectations, it's exceeding my expectations. It just exceeded my expectations, and there are no words actually. It is an emotional purchase, so I cannot say anything wrong about it.
Exactly.
Even I don't feel anything wrong about it because I bought this motorcycle for my rides and Sunday rides, long tours, as because I also do my long rides in this bike also. So it ticks all boxes. That's it, and I love this bike. So yeah.
And any kind of battery issue?
Okay, it's battery issue. Yeah, if you can see YouTube, then there are frequent videos that are showing that Aprilia has this battery drain issue. It has, because I have also faced that battery drain issue, because I left this bike for a month without starting it and my battery got drained. Then I have to charge my battery, then I have to put it on the bike, then again start, a long process. But yeah, it has a little bit of battery drain issue.
तो ये था द Aprilia RS457 का एक डिटेल्ड ओनरशिप रिव्यू वीडियो, जहाँ पे हमने सब प्रोज एंड कॉन्स को कवर करने की कोशिश की है. अगर इन केस वी हैव मिस्ड एनी पॉइंट, देन लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. वी विल टॉक टू द ओनर डायरेक्टली एंड लेट यू नो एवरीथिंग. एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे. टिल देन राइड सेफ.